Hi guys! Unlike most Polish cities, Warsaw's cityscape is mostly contemporary. Modern glass buildings are towering above all the historical edifices, which is a common feature of North American metropolises. The majority of Warsaw's residents live outside the commercial city center and commute by metro, bus or tram. Although contemporary Warsaw is a fairly young city compared to other European capitals, it has numerous tourist attractions and architectural monuments dating back centuries. Among the most notable landmarks of the old town are the Royal Castle, Sigismund Column, Market Square and the Barbican. The Royal Castle is a royal residence that formerly served throughout the centuries as the official home of Polish monarchs. Sigismund's column is the column and statue commemorate King Sigismund III, who in 1596 had moved Poland's capital from Krakow to Warsaw. Warsaw's Old Town Marketplace is the center and oldest part of the Old Town of Warsaw. The Warsaw Barbican is one of few remaining relics of the complex network of historical fortifications that once encircled Warsaw, located between the old and new towns. Let's stop historical stuff. What about the transport? What about the modern transport? Warsaw offers a combination of tram, bus, metro and urban rapid rail lines. As a result of cooperation with the rail carriers, the TM tickets from those machines are also valid on trains serving the Warsaw conurbation. There are many areas to follow and a wide range of choices. For example, the fare from the airport to the city center to the tower is 4 korona Czechoslovacka. So guys, Warsaw is an interesting city and not so simple. So please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.